This is the project I have to do for the data incubator, and I use the R language to analyze the data. And first we can see the original data. There are about 71 attributes of the FIFA players overall rating, and there you can see their names, ages, nationality, overall potential, and other attributes. So the purpose of the project is that I'm going to analyze the data and feed a model to calculate what is the most important factor of what's the base of the player's overall rating. And so we can see in this project I first delete some significant variables, and then there's a wage and value of the players, and I change it to the characteristic and turn it to numeric in order to fit the model, because if the values and wage are not numeric, we can't use it to fit in the model. So I create a loop. And also for the nationality, because there are about 200 countries names, and so I separate them and assign these countries to about 5 continents or 6 continents, and make their become a categorical variables, and it's more easier for us to analyze. And this is the loop and a list of the countries names. And also I will let this project separate into two parts, like players and goalkeepers, because there are two different positions. So for the players, I choose some look like significant variables, and then check the base of the statistics and see the correlation printout. And also I'll use the forward step to feed a linear regression and see about the square root of the residual sum of squares and the r squared, and also used some criticism to choose the model I'm going to use. And I choose the model with about 21 variables, and see the VIF to see if there's a problem with multicollinearity. And so I delete two variables for of marking and standing tackles. And also we can see the initial model that I made here. You can see there are so many variables in our model, and most of them are statistical significant, except the nationality. But we can see that the players are trained in Europe, or they are born in Europe. They are much statistical significant for in our model. So, and other models are statistical significant. So the initial model we made is like 93% data can be explained by the model, and we can see for the plots of the model. Yeah, here is it. We can see the residual and fitted and normal QQ plot and skull location and residual versus leverage. There are also quick distance that at first we can see that it's pretty not that good model, but we can still move on and check more assumption that if it is satisfied for the future process. Thank you.